Hey, what's up all you Taobaoholics? This is Paul here, aka Paulabusa, back with another video where we do yet another product review from Taobao every single week. So if you're new here, please do consider subscribing. So guys, we're visiting back another old series which is called the 3 Hots from Taobao. And today we've got 3 items here that is really about home improvement. It's really about improving the tidiness of your house. They are functional as well and improving your lifestyle. So if you're interested in that, just stay tuned. First item here, it is a long item.
Ladies.
And right here we've got some hooks, and it is actually a hook that you can attach to any back of your door just to hang your clothes lying around that you use for multiple days. First things first, other than the rack itself, we've got some fittings, an instruction manual to teach you how to fix the rack, and it even has a measuring tape to help you measure the entire thing. Very thoughtful. This is the rack itself. As you can see, the hooks are movable. You can actually play around with it. It's not like fixed like other kind of racks, so it makes it much easier. If you need a wider width, you can actually shift this away and put this as the main one. It's really flexible, and that's why we got it. So let's fix it up and see how well it works. Right, the very next item. This is really not a new item. If you guys have been following the channel for a long time, this is an item that was featured on the very first episode of Trash or Treasure. And this is a billet. As you know, these things wear and tear and they tend to spoil over time. And ours, over 2 years, have given way. So we bought a new one and we just ordered the spray head basically. This one only cost about $6. That's really about it. The interesting thing about this is when we got it, 2 of them, one of them is spoiled and one is working. This happens quite a few times in Taobao, and you need to know how to handle it. So what we did was we messaged the seller and we told him that we received a spoiled item, and then we subtly implied that we would give him a 5-star rating if he sends us a replacement. It's not an expensive item, it's just $6. 10 out of 10 times the seller would replace you with a new one. If it's a cheap item and you promise to give him a 5-star rating, he would do it. And that's what we did, and he's now sending us a new one that is on the way. So here's a top tip for you. If you do get a spoiled item from the seller, always give them a message and say that you will give them a 5-star if they send a replacement. Likelihood you get it replaced for free. Right, next item. This is about $17. So we needed a new wall clock and we picked this one. It's a plain one. I thought it was interesting because this shop is called the Jackie Chan online store. Yes, and this is the Jackie Chan clock. Instruction manual should be easy enough. And the instructions is in English. So we've got the hands, the hook, and the clock itself. So it works on a single AA battery, and it's really as simple as that. So there you have it, very simple installation. Hour hand, minute hand, and then the second hand, all in the 12 o'clock position, and it's done. So just insert the battery in, and you've got a working clock. So we're gonna hook it up to the wall and see how it looks. And for the very last item, last but not least, here is the fridge magnet that I was talking to you about earlier. Now you guys know that there's always this space at the side of the fridge where it's not in use and you're just out in the open, you can't drill any holes on it, and it's just there. So this is actually a shelf that attaches magnetically to the side of the fridge. You can use it as a towel holder, you put some spices there and things like that. So we're gonna unbox this and see how well it works. And basically that's it. The whole thing is made out of metal, and behind here there are two magnets that attaches to your fridge directly. It's very sturdy, and then you've got a shelf here you can use. There is a roller here. You can put hand towels on it. Again, here there is a roller as well. Well, there is also a hook here. Again, you can hook your kitchen towel on it. Some hooks here as well, you can hook stuff on it. Construct of the shelf is really quite good. First thoughts, good quality product, and it only costs about $15 on Taobao. This product came with a little bit of paint chip here, a small thing, but overall still okay. So we're gonna attach this to the shelf and see how it works. So there you have it, guys. 3 very simple items to improve your home. I know you're expecting big construction and big things to be brought into the house, but it's not. These are really small items that I bought for the house, and I really like them. I mean, the clock is just a clock, but the shelves, the wall hooks, the magnetic shelf for the fridge, those are all very useful items. You don't want to leave all those things on the kitchen tabletop. You want to put them in the shelf, and that magnetic shelf works well to keep all those items away. Your salt, your pepper, your towel, and things like that. Wall hooks keeps my bedroom console clean. I don't leave clothes there anymore, so I don't get hell from the missus. Anyways, with that, we've come to the end of the video. Hope you guys like it. Now, if you do, please do leave a thumbs up down below. Subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. This is Paul here, signing off. Ciao.